Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. This is a part 2 video of use of filter in MS Excel. In part 1 video, we had explained about working of basic filter. In this video, we are going to show how to use advanced filter. But before that, subscribe to our channel if you haven't and press the bell icon and do not miss an update from us. Also, we recommend you to see part 1 video on Excel filter before proceeding further. So how is normal filter different than advanced filter? The major difference between the two are, in normal filter, you can filter your data in the existing data table only. However, using advanced filter, you can filter the data and paste the same in other cells, worksheet or a new workbook. Another difference is that for data filter, you need to provide user input in some other cell range. Let's get started with the same economic example we had worked on in part 1 video. Cell C3 contains a country header and cell C4 has a country name, which is the same header from the table below. Now, if we click on advanced filter, we will get a table on a screen. Here, we have three options to input cell range. First is list range, second criteria range, and third is copy to. In the first option, list range, we input the whole table array. In the second option, criteria range, we select filter criteria, and in the third option, which is currently not visible, which is copy to, copy the data and insert the same in destination cell. In advanced filter table, you can see header action. Here we have two options, filter the list in place and copy to another location. When filter the list in place is selected, the third option, copy to, will not be visible and the same will be visible when copy to another location is selected. Let us select list range by selecting the whole table array. Then we will select the range C3 to C4 for selecting criteria range. Below in cell range, we have data filtered for the country set in criteria. Now, below that we have another option which is unique records only. Let's remove the filter and use it again. Open advanced filter, choose list range and criteria range and click on unique records only. You can see that earlier we had duplicate values in the table array. However, after clicking on this option, duplicate data entry in the data has been filtered and we have only unique entries. In this example, we had selected filter the list in place. The selection of this option makes the data filter in the same place where the data is available. Now, we selected the second option, copy to another location. After selection of the same, the third criteria, copy to, will become visible. Let us select the same in cell AB6 and click on OK. We can see that the filtered data has been pasted from cell AB6. Now, let's try and copy the data in another sheet. If we use the filter again, use the option list range and criteria range, and for the option copy to another location, select next sheet, we will get this error which says you cannot copy filtered data to the active sheet. What does this error imply? This error implies that you need to be present in the active sheet and then perform the action. For example, if we are in tab sheet 1, then we are in an active worksheet. If we open advanced filter, now select list range and criteria range from tab advanced filter in MS Excel and select option copy to in sheet 1, then the data will be copied in active sheet. So basically, for data to be filtered and copied in another sheet, we must go to the sheet where we want to paste the filtered data and then open advanced filter option. Now, in the current example, we are filtering data of just one criteria, which is country. What if we want to add another criteria? So in order to add criteria to your filter, you just need to add heading in the subsequent cell range and input below the cell range. For instance, in cell D3, I'm going to write units, and in cell D4, I'm going to write %change. Now units is a header and %change is one of the data item below. Now if I open filter, select list range and select criteria range from cell C3 and D4, then the data below will be filtered with header country as well as with header units. We can add further headers in subsequent cell to add filter criteria. Now we will move to the next tab, output. Here we will take header as economic indicator and gross domestic product constant price as first input. Now in subsequent cell we have header estimates start after, which is a header of cell N6. Now write sign greater than 2018 in cell D4. We will use the advanced filter in the same way we had used in the previous tab. We will select list range and criteria range and apply the same. You will see that data has been filtered with respect to column N, where data is filtered for year more than 2018. Thus, advanced filter can be used to filter data for number using greater than, equal to, smaller than signs, etc. Similarly, we can add another parameter below the first criteria. Let's write unemployment rate and add another criteria, which is sign of greater than 2018. Again, if we open the advanced filter table and change the criteria range, we will get our data filtered. And now we have data with two economic filter in the below table. So that's it for today's session. If you find this session knowledgeable, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.